Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am working tonight on a 24 by 24 inch previously used canvas. I haven't painted in 4 or 5 days. I've been down with a stomach bug and I'm still feeling a little shaky, but I have to put some paint on a canvas. But I don't have a lot of energy, so I'm going to be using a lot of my leftover paints. I'm using a previously used canvas and I've got it up on push pins and I think I'm ready to go. It sounds like the neighbors down the street are having a party and this little studio that I'm renting, my neighbor, I can hear his TV in the background. I'm sorry about the distracting noise in the background, but I'm not going to talk long. So I have some leftover slop bucket paint. This is table scrapings. It's leftover paints that I put all together, and it's a really beautiful kind of eggplant purple color. It's got some metallics to it, so I know my scrapings from my most recent waterfall pour my most recent video. I know those table scrapings went in there, and I strained it, so there shouldn't be any lumps. Let's hope. And then I have some fun colors to go with it. I think I worked out a nice little color palette using my leftover paints. This one is an amalgamation of This Little Piggy pigments in watermelon, and then quinacridone rose light and quinacridone rose. Then this one is metallic cobalt blue, I believe. I didn't label it, so I'm not quite sure. I know this one is Amsterdam greenish blue. This is DecoArt 24 karat gold. This is golden fluid acrylics dioxazine purple. So it is a much darker purple than my base coat. So it should provide some really good depth behind all of these other colors. And then this one, I know that this is Chrome Acrylic Essentials in white. And I think there's probably, I'm not sure, but I think there might be some DecoArt Matte Metallics Ivory Pearl in there. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but all of my paints have been mixed to the same consistency. Let's show you using the metallic cobalt blue. I think you should be able to see that. Everything leaves a mound on a mound. It's about a medium consistency. This could be thicker, but this paint was very thin, so I thickened this up with a little bit of gloss gel and my regular pouring medium, and then thinned the other paints down just a little bit to match up what I had. So including my base coat, everything is the same color. I'm going to do something, I want to leave, this color is beautiful, this leftover color, so I'm going to try and leave some negative space. So what I think I'm going to do tonight is layer a couple of cups after I've put my base coat down and do some wandering ring pours and tilt them out, kind of like I've been seeing Kathleen from Cause Creations doing. I really want to try that out. I'm going to do the watering ring pour and then tilt that out completely and then add another layer somewhere else on the canvas. And again, trying to leave some negative space. So that's all the talking I'm going to do. I'm going to put some music on for you while I layer my cups and put my base coat down, and then let's have some fun.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I gotta wait for better days. It's all starting now. It's not too late, we can be saved. If we make the time, it's gonna be alright. Had a clue, now I got a feeling. Just gotta hold on tight. Tonight, tonight, we're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath, and then you'll be stronger. I wanna feel if this is real. It's easy if we try. 'Cause every night and every day I wanna run and die. It's gonna be alright. Had a clue, now I got a feeling. Just gotta hold on tight. Tonight, tonight, we're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath, and then you'll be stronger. Gotta wait for better days. It's all starting now. It's not too late, we can be saved. We're gonna be stronger. This is our fight. We're gonna be stronger. We won't back out of this fight. Have no regrets. Just hold your breath,
Yay, I made something pretty. Now I can go home and go back to bed. I really like the way I poured and tilted this out. I love the rec lines. I love that this kind of shape here is kind of balanced on this side. I love that there's pink here and pink here, so it's really balanced that way. The gold here and the gold here. I really like how that worked out. So I don't know if I like it better like this, or maybe like this. I'll see once it dries and hang it up on the wall. But let me take you in for some details. So there's that slop bucket base coat color. Isn't it pretty? I really love it. It's like a soft purple, really nice. And I just mixed up these, even though they were leftovers, I just mixed them up a bunch. So there's a ton of air bubbles. Bubbles. But great picture, great details in this. I really love the rec lines, and this kind of stripy area in the corner is really cool. Sorry, probably going too fast. I really like also that I use the base coat color in the pour, so it kind of ties everything together. This section up here is really pretty. I love strong contrast. I always like the areas with a white color, like white and a dark color. That's really pretty there too. Yay! All right, well, unfortunately I won't have dry results for you in this video, but I will post my the dry result on my Instagram page. If anybody wants to follow me there, you can see it. And thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and, you know, mix up some paints and be fearless.